So where's Pancake Fest at?
It's in Tiger Town. It's about an hour away. So it's a good thing we got some gas because I don't want to walk or anything like that.
Ow.
What?
I don't know, I think an ant bit me or something.
Oh, an ant?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Should be fine.
Yeah, it's no problem. All right, let's.
Conrad!
What?
Open the door, the child locks!
Why do you have child locks on the front seat?
I don't know, I didn't make the car!
How long have those ants been in there?
I don't know, have they been in there the whole time?
How long has the syrup been in there?
A few days.
Well, I guess we're walking now.
Walk? Really? You want to walk?
Yeah. It only happens once a year, Randy. Come on. It's not that much further. We've been driving for a long time.
All right, let's go. If someone steals my car, though. I think we're lost.
Why?
We're in the woods.
Randy, you need to stop being such a negative Nelly. Be more of a positive Pete. Come on, let's go.
Hey, Conrad, I don't like these woods.
Randy, listen. There's nothing in these woods, okay? All it is leaves, trees, spiders, snakes, bears. And that's how a bill becomes a law.
Oh. You know what? I've had it. We've been walking for hours. We just came through some seriously haunted woods. There are fire ants in the car. Why don't we just call it a day? It's just Pancake Fest.
I fancied you a Pancake fan. Look at you, deciding to call it a day after everything we've gone through. What if Lewis and Clark decided to call it a day, huh? What if the Donner Party, after getting lost in those California mountains, decided just to, forget it and pack it up and go back?
The Donner Party ate each other.
Well, I don't care, because you know what? They didn't have pancakes to look forward to, and I think we're better off because of that, and we're gonna make it. Just have faith, okay?
You're right. I'm sorry, but what are we gonna do? We're lost.
Well, if this is the right subdivision, I think I know someone who can help. Someone with experience in this type of situation.
Situation? You mean two zany overacting buddies in a flapjack-themed misadventure?
Not exactly. Hello?
Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon, Lindsay. As you can probably figure out by us being here, we're in the need of your assistance.
Defamation of public property, resisting arrest, and theft of this man's goat. Now, for such a list of crimes, I would ask for the most strenuous and severe of punishments possible. Death by burning at the stake. But I also believe in the fairness of our good Lady Blind Justice. And I do honestly and sincerely believe there might be an ounce of redemption for these boys. Randall Hardin, what do you have to say for yourself?
You know what? I've learned something today. I've learned to never give up on your dreams, to never let yourself down, to never run around and desert your friends. And it makes me cry inside that people just say goodbye to what they believe in. I'm not going to tell a lie. It hurts me.
Your Honor, let's drop these charges. And get these boys to Pancake Fest!
Huh?